oil change procedure. Now for the fun part. So that's what we'll be doing. So let's see here. Let's have a look around. No signs of oil drips or leaks. Honestly, this is really clean. This is kind of best case scenario. Jeez. Yep. There we go. That is hot, hot, hot. The 5-gallon bucket definitely would have been the move. Okay. Now we know. Next step is to remove this guy. This, we've got oil ring, lube, and a partially pre-filled oil filter. Okay, so we are looking at the inside of this engine. And you can see the cylinders here. That cylinder looks pretty good to me. I see very little varnish, which is kind of surprising given the oil change intervals, but alright, we're gonna put the drain bolt back on and torque it to spec. Should have brought some. That's 19. Okay, cool. We are done under here. But no, the engine oil level is bang on. Oh. It's running good. It's running really